In this video, I will show with you how to change your payment method in Manus. So if you want to change your payment method, follow me in this video, guys. Go to your accounts profile, go to your accounts from this option. When you go to accounts, click on manage, go to accounts from here. From here, click on manage your subscription like this one. When you click manage your subscription, this option here, you will see this page. From this page, when you choose your manage subscription, click on edit billing. As you can see here, when you click edit your billing here, you will see like this page. So when you click on edit payments, this one, you will see this page. From this page, you can add your change your Visa or credit MasterCard successfully without any problem. Just select your my accounts here like this one, and then click on edit your payments from here billing. I hope this guide helpful for you. Don't forget to give like and give share this video.